So as you guys can see, my onions are out of control. My pumpkin plants are getting so big that they're starting to overshadow some of the other stuff that's in my grow closet, watermelon and tomatoes. So I thought tonight would be a good opportunity to show you how to prepare onion seedlings. This is pretty much what they look like when you order them. You know, when you get them in a rubber band or a bundle. And then we'll get these in the garden in the next couple days. So I'll show you how I do that. So really, all I'm doing here is I take my onion plant. Like I said, they're out of control. They're not looking great. They're gonna be okay. We're just setting up seedlings anyways. So I take the onion plant. I just trim the leaves off. And I got a little bag that I put those in. You can eat them. And I just tap the dirt. Tap the plant out of the pot. I just kind of tap the dirt like this. And I try to get it off the root system. Because you're really only going to leave about an inch of roots, you know. You just plant them in a hole, and I don't know if you've ever seen an onion re-sprout in your fridge or you know, on your shelf or wherever you keep your onions. You know, they'll re-sprout and they usually grow some new roots too. So it's just fine. All I'm gonna do is cut about an inch off the root system. Give them a little splash in the water, get some of that dirt off. There you go. We have an onion seedling ready to be put in the garden. So, I'm a little, you know, disappointed I didn't do a better job taking care of them. So I don't know if I'm going to grow any heavies, but I'm definitely going to grow some onions. So, well, there you go. Thanks for watching.